Are you a small business owner struggling to process payroll manually? Calculating taxes, deductions, and net pay can be time consuming and very stressful. Welcome to Wave Payroll, the ultimate solution for running payroll very effortlessly. In this step by step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Wave Payroll to set up employees' profiles, calculate taxes, process payments, and generate reports all from one intuitive platform. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Wave Payroll, run payroll in just few clicks, and ensure compliances with tax regulations. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let's break down the pricing here because I think that is going to play a major role here. By the way, here you can see it gives you two plan, right? The starter, which is for completely for free, and there's a pro plan. And as you can see here, there are some of the beneficial advantages which you can see here in the pro plan. There's 0% charges per credit card transaction, but on the starter pack there is 0.60 cents charges per credit card transaction, that is 2.9%, right? So it's completely up to you. But if I just go to the manual monthly section here, you can see the charges increases as we compare to annually. You will save up to $22, but you can save more if you just go and buy it from the link given in the description, right? And it's a way to support our channel, plus you will get a heavy discount over it. And if you want to compare, you can just come to this official website, which is called waveapps.com, right, slash pricing. And here you can see, right? And by the way, you can also pause this video and you can trade it. So all set here. So let's break down what's make a web payroll stand out. According to them, Wave is a cloud-based payroll solution designed specifically for small businesses. On the top right side corner, you can just go and click on get started for free. I will use my Google ID to sign in here. If you have a email, then you can use an email. I find Google is much more seamless integration here. Now it will ask you what is your name. So my name is Ron here. Your last name, what's your business name here? So I will just write here Filex Express. Now what does your business do? So my business is much more into advertising, marketing, and media. You can select your business up to you. Now click on next. Now Wave is built for US and Canadian people. Now Zoho is our trusted partner in your country. So Zoho is an Indian company and it's pretty popular all over the world here. We can just get started with the Zoho, right? So I will just go and use Zoho Books and it's completely free for 30 days. And if you're using it from US or Canada or some European countries, automatically you will get a different option, whichever option is pretty much popular in your country. Now I will just go and click on get started with Zoho Books. It will ask my company name, right? So let me just enter my company name here, then your email address, your phone number, password, and just go and click on create my account. Now before getting into the Zoho Books, for example, Zoho Books, I'm sure that in your country, Wave Payroll could be something like completely different. So if you are looking for something like that, you can just close this video, right? I don't want to waste your more time here, but if you want to look into what is Zoho Books, and it's exactly what Wave Payroll is fulfilling the demand. It's the same thing what Wave Payroll is showing these or giving the solution. It's exactly what Zoho Payroll or Zoho Books is giving in my country, right? That's the reason Wave Payroll had a data collaboration with Zoho Books. Start free trial, right? I can use the same email ID. For example, I'm using the same Google ID which I used to make a Zoho One account. So Zoho Books, the finance and accounting module with the Zoho One, here's how you can use it. You can, obviously you have to enter your organization name. So I will just write here, Filex Express just for short here. Select my country, click on get started, fill up all this information, and then just go and click on get started. Okay, so here you can navigate to the invoices sections and you can create your own invoices. So don't get intimidated by the dashboard. It's pretty similar, just like any other books applications here. On the left side, you can see this is item section, right? You can just go and click on new item, right? Same way you have to just enter all this information, right? This is a banking section. You can connect bank, credit cards, add manually, and all this information. This is a sales. So if I just go and click on sales, there's a drop down, and here this is a customer. I can create a new customer here, and here it says there are type of customers. For example, there's a customers and there's a vendors. So vendors are something those who provide, you can say here raw materials, something like that. Whenever we are producing a mass, or let's say we are manufacturing companies, so there's a where vendors comes in. This is a customer, so we can just create separate customers data as well as the vendors data. So if I just go and click on plus icon here, I will able to add it. So for example, whether the customer is a business or individual, I can add all these details and it will be added as a customer. Same way you can go and click on add new, and here same thing. Now this is a code, so this codes you can just go and click on new codes, as well as there's always a option to import all this information or data if you were using some other sales books or CRM softwares. Now, by the way, Zoho gives you a trial for 14 days, and if you're trying to buy, there's a link given in the description. So make sure you buy it from there, because it's a way to support our channel, and obviously then we will able to make such good videos, and we can expand to the longer form of videos, and you will obviously get a bigger discount, right? So please use that link. Now this is a sales order, and here you can create a sales order, whichever order you get, right? Okay, so I'm facing this error. Maybe this is due to internet connection, right? I will refresh this page and let's go to the sales order once again. It's looking pretty good now. Now this is delivery challan. So this is only available in India, but in your case, this could be receipt or something like this. And the best thing which I like about this Zoho, that they not only give this written information in short, but also they show the life cycle of delivery challans, right? So here you can see, you can read it. By the way, this is only used in India and some of the tier third countries, right, or Asian countries. This is the invoices. You can just go and click on new invoice, and Zoho has an inbuilt invoice section, so you can create an invoice, and then once create, you can save and send add to the email. And Zoho have an email, so you can send it from Zoho email as well as your own email. All the payment receipts will be shown up here, the recurring invoice, credit notes. If you have a purchase order, then just go to the purchases, vendors, right? I explained you the vendors and the customers are different. So here it is, expense sheets, recurring expense, purchase order, bills, payment made, recurring bills, vendors, credit, and there's a lot of features which you can just go and access from here. Same way, time tracking, accounts, right? So there's a lot of option which you can change here. The reports will be shown up here. By the way, somehow, if you're not able to understand from this video, no worries, you can just take help directly from Zoho. So here, this is take a live product tour. There will be a person, and the support team is really good. So they will help you regarding each and everything. They will explain you, even though if you ask them 10 times. By the way, this is not a sponsor video. I use Zoho Books. I know how well is, and I use Zoho one personally. That's the reason. So here you can create. I hope you understood what is a Zoho Books. Now, if I just try to go back here, same way, Zoho Mail, it will give you a personal, I'm sorry, not personal, a professional email, right? So here, this is a different application. I can't explain each and everything in this video, but if you want, let me know in the comment box. I will make a separate video on each specific application Zoho in deep. Although I gone really fast in this video, but yeah, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.